Hi guys! So I ordered food from Gidinski. Her ham looks amazing, so I'm really excited to try that. They just arrived today, but unfortunately it's now 1:52 p.m. and I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to eat that. So I decided to pop this thing, her Siopao, in the oven, and I'm gonna start with this because yeah, hungry man. When you're hungry, you just cannot wait, and there's no way I can kind of heat that up, sit down and enjoy it. So here's the next best thing. One thing I noticed right off that I really like with this is the bun of the Siopao is that it's really soft and it has a fine texture. The fine texture is a little bit hard to achieve, I think. I mean, I cannot achieve it when I make my Siopao, and a lot of the sellers, not just here in Germany, but even in the Philippines, they don't make such fine texture on their Siopao. And it's also not just in the Philippines, but also in like Hong Kong, Taiwan, places where they really make this thing for a living. And yeah, this is really good. Now, interesting. So the filling is not sweet. Oh, I mean, there is sweetness to it, but it's not the typical sweet asado filling that you would normally get or that you expect in most of the Siopaos that you will try. So that is good. See, I don't know if this is the same thing, but it actually is. So I will save that and give it to my husband, but I like this. So it's more on the salty side with just a slightest hint of sweetness to it. For sure, I can tell that without the bun, it's gonna be a little bit too salty, but with the bun, it's perfect. The meat is also not fatty. It's soft and doesn't taste dry. I like that the Siopao is still firm in the sense that it's not overrun with sauce from the filling. Because I know that us Filipinos, we love it with, or we love food that are masauce, but sometimes, you can't mess up with something like this, wherein it's not supposed to be so saucy that the bun is falling apart. For me, this is just right. Anyway, that's it for now. Yeah, I will see if I can make some ham later and give it a try and take videos, but for now, this is it because I do have to do cleanup since the house is a mess. We just arrived back in town yesterday.